Tonight, Karmelo Anthony's legal team is escalating their fight to get him a new trial. He was convicted of murder for stabbing Austin Metcalf at a track meet in Frisco. This weekend, a judge denied their motion for a new trial, but as Jobin Puttiker reports, their appeal to a higher court has already begun.
Judge Michael Chitty ruled on a Saturday late afternoon to deny Karmelo Anthony's motion for a new trial. After sharing statements over the weekend, on Monday, both sides stayed quiet.
They did.
Attorney Jeremy Rosenthal is not on this case. He tells us this is the paperwork portion of the appeal, where the defense will raise any and all concerns.
It's not uncommon to see 10 or 15 points of error on a brief. The prosecution is going to file a reply to the defense brief and answer each of the points that the defense brings up.
Karmelo Anthony filed an appeal to the 5th District Court of Appeals in early June, soon after his sentencing. That court sits in Dallas, representing 6 counties, including Collin.
This is in all likelihood going to be assigned to 3 distinct judges of the 14 judges that sit on the 5th Court of Appeals in Dallas.
Jeremy, in his 21 years in defense, has appealed a number of times. He joined WFAA for its coverage during the hearings and was also in court.
I fully anticipate the emphasis of this appeal is going to be on the access and openness of the court issue because it triggers what's called structural error.
And that is an automatic reversal. The gentleman's agreement between parties during the trial will likely also be in the appeal. The defense will have to show how the breakdown of that agreement hurt Anthony's defense. Judge Chitty's order is brief. We asked what many are asking, for the judge's full reasons for denial.
It's better for the prosecution and for the judge, if he wants to have his ruling upheld on appeal, to say less. If time were not an issue, he would certainly be required to show his math.
Again, this is the paperwork portion of this case. It is a long process, and Karmelo Anthony will remain in prison while that process happens. In McKinney, I'm Jobin Puttiker.